Hi guys, welcome to another electronic clinic video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial I'll show you how to make a cape or a port for such type of complex product. For creating the cap of or port for this product, we'll be using the combine tool. So for the combine tool we need at least two bodies, and at this time we have only this body. And I have already saved this part at two different locations. So now to create the cap or port, let's start. Click here, convert entities. Also want this area. Okay, now let's extrude. Features, extrude. And direction to up to here, and make sure you uncheck the merge results, as we need two bodies. So for the combine tool we need at least two bodies. So as you can see, now we have two bodies, 1 and 2. Now what we have to do is just click on the insert, features, and select combine. Now the main body, we want to keep this as a main body as we are creating a cap or a port, and bodies to be subtracted, click this one. So as you can see how easily we created a port. Now let's save this. Now click on new, click assembly. Final is the cap, and I've already saved the body, so and here's the body. Let's mat this. And this side with this side. Okay, and okay. So this is how easily we can create complex part using only a combine tool. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends, and thanks for watching.